Let me show you how to take your mirror off. It's really simple, and I'm going to show you probably the easiest way of doing it where you don't even have to take the mirror stock off entirely. But let's jump in the car, let's take a look at it. All right, y'all, so it is possible to take the entire mirror off, and then you can take the mirror face off itself. But I actually think it's going to be easier just to take the face off and leave the stock in place. Now, really quickly, if you wanted to take the entire mirror off, you'd take a plastic trim tool, you'd work it between the split in the cover that goes around the neck on your mirror, you work it in on the bottom, pop it open, move your mirror, get into the top, pop it open, and then you can pull both halves of the cover away. You've got a plug right here at the top. You'd want to unplug that. Then you would take very gently, you'd take the entire mirror and turn it 45 degrees right. Don't push it or pull on it. You just gently turn about 45 degrees right, and then it'll come off the connection to the windshield. So you can do that. You can absolutely do that, especially if you're changing out your entire mirror. Your other option, of course, is just to take the mirror face off itself. And you can do that by just working a trim tool into and in between, because right here, this crack is your mirror face. And all you need to do is just work a trim tool in, and you can work it and get the entire mirror face to come away. Now when it does, you're gonna have your mirror and a circuit board that's plugged in here at the back of the mirror. You wanna unplug that, and then you can just take this and take it to your workbench, which is what we're going to do next.